Hello everyone, my name is Chris Corbin and today I'm going to be talking about a web program called Quizlet. It's not just educational, it's also very fun to work with. The first slide, as you can see, is just a presentation slide. The second slide that you see is the opening homepage slide, and as you look at it, at the frontal view, you'll see it says Chapter 7, the Solar System, because that's what I did my presentation on. Basically, this program is designed to work with teachers and students as an index card type system. As you can see, there's 41 slides that are involved in this presentation. And in the very beginning, it shows you that it says revolution, and it gives a definition of how many revolutions and how long it takes to go around the sun. Underneath that, then you see the home categories of the different types of categories that you can pick in order to work with this application. On the far left hand side, you'll notice that there's also indicators for different websites that you can access to provide more information regarding the site and how to access it. As we look at the third slide, the third slide is just a generic print to show you what the slide presentation looks like. It shows you what one of the index cards is. And as you can see in the top corner, it says 41 items. And on that list, it goes down 41 definitions for each title regarding the topic on the solar system. As you see, you can see the word on the left-hand side and then a little icon with a speaker. So if you click the icon with the speaker, it'll say the word for you and pronounce it. On the right hand side, it then gives you the definition of the word, and also clicking the icon, it will read that as well. So it works with the hearing impaired and also the sight impaired. It gives them both the opportunity to access this program. And on the far left hand side, you can see there's a little box. That's so the teacher can leave notes to work with their students and so that they can understand what they're working on with the project, and if there's any points that need to be made or focused upon, that can be put in that discussion box. In the following slide, we see that it's the slide that says test. This is a great application because it allows you to design your own tests based on the lesson that you've worked on. So therefore, you can customize a test based on your index card program so that they can then follow along, making sure that they've gone through all of the slide presentation through the index cards, and then you can test them on the information that they've learned. The following slide, that slide is the lesson slide, and it gives you the question, and then you have to answer it in the box. And what's really nice about this, as you can see, is you can read the question, but it can also be clicked on the right hand side so that it can be read to you. What's nice is if you give the incorrect answer, it will give you the correct one. So it helps the student build confidence by not saying that, oh, you're wrong, but this is the correct answer. The following slide is then the spelling slide. As you can see, it gives the definition of the word on one side and then gives you the box to put the spelling word into that box. Again, it has the icons for speech so that you can, again, work with those that are impaired. And again, another great feature of this is that it allows you, if you've made a mistake, it corrects the word for you and gives you the proper spelling and the proper answer. The final slide that you look at is just one of the applications that can be built into it, and you can see that there's one next to it above it, and they're just two games that were designed. This particular game is a multi-screened game, so I wasn't able to put it into the presentation because you have to click the mouse and move it around to make a picture. Now, depending on what your topic is, if it's world geography, you can draw a map and then have them put the correct states where they belong or where the countries belong. Or in the case of my topic, the solar system, they have to put the planets in the right order. This is just one of those fantastic uh, websites that allows you a lot of flexibility. It helps with student interaction. It's great working with teachers to give them ideas to work with their other students, and it allows students to do the same type of presentation for other students and for their teachers as well if they're given a project to do. So it's a very focused program. It's very compliant with ADA. Um, it's just a lot of fun to work with, and I really hope you enjoyed my presentation.